Yum. Assim, vá. Estás a escorregar, não estás? Isso. Sliding down. Ok. Vamos experimentar outra vez? Gabriel. O que queres? Tu queres a câmara? Não pode ser, né? Olha. Ei, olha. Vá, experimenta. Não? Então. Não. Come.
I'll do it.
Yeah, I know you think you can do it, but you can't.
Then again, judging by the state of your mouth, Mummy's not doing a great job either.
No, Mummy's not. Come on. What's that face? Ah, que cara é essa? Mais? Mo? Não, com as tuas mãos não, amor. Anda. Mais? Que bom, arroz. Mo? Hã? É bom? Ah! Gabriel! No. I think we're gonna need like a full bib, a full body bib.
You mean a wetsuit?
Yeah, something like that. There are like full front body bibs, you know. Oh, Mo? Assim, olha. Ah.
He's not really going for the taste of it. Maybe he's not very hungry.
You should be a little bit. You shouldn't be giving it to them when they're really hungry. Mummy's just dirtied herself as well. She has to be like baby.
Okay. I think the camera's distracting him a little bit.
Go on, take that.
Okay. Well, we got your first few spoonfuls on camera. Yeah. Is that okay now?
And get some tissue.
Anything else you want to say before I switch it off?
Ah, really?
What, nothing else? Mummy spent a long time cooking that.
Yeah, hours slaving in the kitchen.
I think that's fair enough.
Ah.
It doesn't look very tasty. Okay, good lad.